Hey guys, everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today recipe I'm going to show you how to make Tibetan puri. And also I'm going to show you Tibetan full breakfast recipe in this video. And hopefully you guys love it. So before start the video, please don't forget to click the red button. Also hit the bell. So if you hit the bell, you will get always notification when I upload a new recipe. And without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, I'm gonna start with puri dough. So here I take some white flour. You can use any kind of flour. And also I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons salt. If you add the salt, your puri will keep nice taste. And also I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add the baking powder and first you have to mix the dry ingredient. Now you have to add water slowly and make a dough. Knead the dough until not becomes smooth. The dough making style is the same, which is we make every day in chapati. Now I'm gonna apply some oil and put in container and just rest the dough for 10 to 15 minutes. Now next I'm gonna prepare the vegetable ingredient. For this we need some dry chili. So how much you're gonna add, you can depend on you. Now add the hot water and just leave it for 10 minutes. So one side I'm gonna boil the egg. Now meanwhile I'm gonna prepare the vegetable. So vegetable you can make any kind of vegetable. So here I choose 1 onion, some garlic and some dry chili, which is we soaked before. Now this all ingredient I'm gonna boil for 2 to 3 minutes until onion become not little soft. You have to boil. Now this time you have to add green onion leaves. So if you have tomato, you should be add the tomato, so it will give more flavor. And also I'm gonna add 2 sliced cheese and just little bit salt. And one time mix and just cover and just leave it for 1 minute. Okay, now I'm gonna add just little bit chili paste. So if you like spicy, you can add. If you don't like spicy, you can skip the chili. You can use any kind of vegetable. So now it's ready to serve. Now I'm gonna make sweet tea. Add the tea bag and sugar, and now I'm gonna boil until not become the dark color. You have to boil. Once it change the color, now it's time to add milk. Now boil for 2-3 minutes more. By the way, if you want to know how to make butter tea, you can check it out. I keep the link in description. So normally Tibetan people drink butter tea in breakfast. So I don't like butter tea, so I make sweet tea. Now my sweet tea also ready. Now we gonna keep aside this, and next we gonna peel the egg skin. Just remove the water and cover and just shake it. So this way your egg skin will easily remove. Now it's time to make puri. Just apply the oil little bit to your hand and make into pieces. The sizes totally depend on you, how much you wanna make, small or big. So I like my puri with a little bit thick. I don't like thin puri. And if you make a little bit thick, so your puri also become like a soft. Now apply just a little bit oil and just make a chapati. Once the chapati is ready, now it's time to make design. Just in the middle, and we have to cut into like this. Just follow the video, it's difficult to explain. So here my sister going to show you how to make smile face puri. Not bad. Look at the heart smile face puri. Now it's time to deep fry for ready. And here I already heat the oil. Check the oil heat or not. Now drop the puri slowly. Once the puri come upside, you have to lightly press. And just flip it over. And you have to cook just a little bit golden brown color. Not too much, just a little bit. It will take only 2 to 3 minutes both of sides. Then repeat the same process. Now everything is ready. Now it's ready for serve. So here I'm gonna cut the egg. In the middle I'm gonna add before make vegetable. And finally I'm gonna add just a little bit lemon juice, but this is optionally. Alright guys, so this is my final result, and hopefully you guys enjoy this recipe. So if you have never tried this stuff, you should be try, you will love it. So about the more recipe guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share with your friends and family, and every time enjoy my homemade recipe and how it is. Don't forget to leave comment below. And thank you so much for watching my video, and we'll see you next video. Bye bye.